you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room.
Hello everyone, how you all are at your home? I hope that you all are fine and great at your home. So, you are welcome to Vidya Balbhavan Senior Secondary School, okay, in English class. In class 10th, okay, by Miss Purnima Bhardwaj. Okay, now you just have to identify these clips or pictures, whatever are there. Okay, this is the clip number 1. And this is your second clip, and this is your third clip. I think you got all the clips and you now are aware of what kind of clips these are. These clips are of diary entry. Okay, whatever your feelings are there or thoughts are there in your mind, you just have to write it down. Yes or no, students? That is the way we express our feelings to the diary, and that is why we used to write a diary entry. Okay, so here is the chapter, okay, where we used to write diary. Okay, the chapter number 4, that is from the diary of Anne Frank. Okay, of book First Flight. Okay, now let's have some instructions first. You have to upload your homework on the portal. Okay, if you're not able to, then you have to mail your doubts on vbbseniors@gmail.com. You can upload or you can send your homework on that also. Take a pencil with you to underline the difficult word and write their meaning as well on the spot. Write down all the words with their meanings in fair notebook. Okay, do all the uploaded work in your fair notebook. Okay, and after doing that assignments and all, just click the things, the work, and just send your clicks on the mail ID. Okay, now let's have the further things. Okay, now there is introduction of the writer. Okay, the name of the writer is Anne Frank. Okay, now there is a picture, you can see that she is Anne Frank. Okay, Anneliese Mary, that is Anne Frank, born on 12th June 1929 and died February or March 1945, was a German Dutch diarist of Jewish origin. Okay, one of the most discussed Jewish victims of the Holocaust. She gained fame posthumously with the publication of The Diary of a Young Girl. Originally Het Archihuis in Dutch English, The Secret Annex, in which she documents her life in hiding from 1942 to 1944. During the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. It is one of the world's best known books and has been the basis of several plays and films. Okay, so this was the short introduction of the writer. Okay, now let's move further. There are some word meanings. Okay, but first of all, let us have the objectives of this video. So objectives of this video are introduction of the writer, word meanings with the proper accent, reading of the chapter with the explanation, and then a recapitulation part. Okay, now let's move forward with the word meanings. Okay, so first word is musings. M-U-S-I-N-G-S, musings. Okay, this means a period of reflection or thought. Next is listless. L-I-S-T-L-E-S-S, listless. That is with no energy or interest. Next is brooding. B-R-O-O-D-I-N-G, brooding. Means engaged in or showing deep thought about something that makes one sad, angry, or worried. Next is prompted. P-R-O-M-P-T-E-D, prompted. Means provoke. Next is confide. C-O-N-F-I-D-E. confide. This means to tell personal things privately to a person that one trusts. Next is liable. Okay, L-I-A-B-L-E, liable means likely here. Okay, enhance, intensify, enhance, E-N-H-A-N-C-E, enhance. The meaning is intensify, I-N-T-E-N-S-I-F-Y, intensify, increase or further improve the quality, value or extent of. Next is plunge, P-L-U-N-G-E, plunge, means jump or dive quickly. Next is immigrated, E-M-I-G-R-A-T-E-D, immigrated, means leave one's own country in order to settle permanently in another. Okay, next is plunked, P-L-U-N-K-E-D, plunked means to put down. Next is farewell, F-A-R-E-W-E-L-L, meaning an act of parting or of making someone's departure. Next is intended, I-N-T-E-N-D-E-D, intended means planned. Next is solemn, okay, S-O-L-E-M-N, solemn means characterized by deep sincerity. Next is dedication, D-E-D-I-C-A-T-I-O-N, dedication means commitment. Next is quacking, Q-U-A-K-I-N-G, quacking means shake or tremble. Next is stalked, S-T-A-K-E-D, stalked means bet or chanced. Next is pleading, P-L-E-A-D-I-N-G, pleading, to make an emotional appeal. Next, glances, G-L-A-N-C-E-S, glances means take a brief or hurried look. Next is outbursts, O-U-T-B-U-R-S-T-S, outbursts means a sudden release of strong emotion. Next, dummies, D-U-M-M-I-E-S, dummies means an object designed to resemble and serve as a substitute for the real or usual one. Okay, next is unpredictable, U-N-P-R-E-D-I-C-T-A-B-L-E, unpredictable means not able to be predicted or changeable. Next is not to lose heart. Okay, this is a phrase in the chapter. This means not to discouraged. Next is old fogey, O-L-D, old, and F-O-G-E-Y, fogey, that's an old-fashioned person. Next is annoyed, A-N-N-O-Y-E-D, annoyed means slightly angry or irritated. Next is chatterbox, C-H-A-T-T-E-R-B-O-X, chatterbox means a person who likes to chatter or a person is talkative. Next is jotted, J-O-T-T-E-D, jotted means write something. Next is ramble, R-A-M-B-L-E, ramble means to talk or write at length in a confused or inconsequential way. Next is convincing, C-O-N-V-I-N-C-I-N-G, convincing means capable of causing someone to believe that something is true or real or powerful. Next is trait, T-R-A-I-T, trait means quality. Next, inherited, I-N-H-E-R-I-T-E-D, inherited means derived genetically from one's parents to ancestors. Next is proceeded, P-R-O-C-E-E-D-E-D, proceeded means to begin a course of action. Next is incorrigible, I-N-C-O-R-R-I-G-I-B-L-E, incorrigible means not able to be changed. Next, mistress, M-I-S-T-R-E-S-S, mistress means a woman in a position of authority or control. Next, road, R-O-A-R-E-D, road means laughed. Next is exhausted. 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 Exhausted means completely used up. Next is ingenuity. Okay, ingenuity. INGENUITY. Ingenuity means the quality of being clever, original, and inventive. Next is verse. VERSE. Verse means writing arranged with a metrical rhythm, typically having a rhyme. Ridiculous. RIDICULOUS. Ridiculous means deserving. Okay, students, these were the word meanings of the chapter. Okay, you do have to write them in your notebook as well. Okay, and now we will start with the chapter. Okay, so let's start with the chapter 4 from the diary of Anne Frank, and it is written by Anne Frank. Okay, I have given you the introduction of the poet. Okay, what does the title is saying? Okay, students, let's talk about that first. Okay, we all have to write a diary. Okay, but it is not compulsory. Okay, it's our choice that we can write diary or we cannot also. Okay, so this Anne Frank wrote a diary in her school time. Okay, and I think she loves to write a diary. Okay, there are something different in her diary. Okay, let's see what's that. Okay, let's have before you read. Anne Leslie Mary Anne Frank, 12 June 1929, February or March, was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends with Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. Okay, let's move further. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hiding rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus in Bergen Belsen within days of her sister Margaret Frank. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary has been saved. Convinced it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. Okay, let's move further. The diary was given to Anne Frank of her 13th birthday and chronicles the event of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. There have also been several films, television, and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. Described as the work of a mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victim. Okay, so this was the introduction of the chapter, students. There was the father of Anne Frank, and they have got the diary and they got it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. Okay, and this was the whole introduction. Okay, let's move further with the chapter. Okay, writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Okay, so what Anne was saying, that writing a diary is not really a strange experience. Okay, someone like me is a strange experience. Someone like me, okay, there is a very nice experience or new experience. Okay, not only because I have never written anything before, but also it seems to me that uh, later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in my musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. She thinks that no one will be interested in reading her things or the diary entry, okay, of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kind of things off my chest. Okay, there was a heaviness on her that there are so many experiences and matter she was having in her own. Okay, and she wants to get rid of that. Okay, so what she did, she is saying that she needs to write them. Okay, she needs to free herself by telling the experience to the diary. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless. Listless means with no energy or interest. Okay, what is she saying? That paper has more patience than people. Okay, why? Because they don't demand anything, they don't complain anything. That is why they have more patience. Okay, I thought of the saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed, okay, and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. She was wondering, or she was worrying, and she was confused that shall I go out or should I remain at home? I finally stayed where I was brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience. And since I'm not planning to let anyone else read this stiff-backed notebook grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. Okay, what is she saying now? That she finally stayed where she was brooding. Okay, yes, paper does have more patience. Okay, and since I'm not planning to let anyone else read this stiff-backed notebook, okay, grandly referred to as diary, okay, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit difference. Now I'm back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. Okay, now she what is she saying? That she's not having any kind of friend, and she used to write everything in the diary so as to share feelings and her thoughts. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. Okay, what is she saying? That a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. She is having no friend. Okay, and I'm not. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. Okay, what is she saying? That she is having loving parents and 13 and 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No one on the surface. I seem to have everything except my true friend. So here we can see that students, she is having everything like parents, friends, relatives, sisters, siblings and all, but she is not having a true friend. Okay, what she used to do at home, she used to get bored, and she is not having a person who can talk very nicely to her. Okay, all I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. Okay, she always thought when I'm with my friend, I am having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary, everyday things. Okay, what is she saying? That I don't bring to talk about certainly a particular thing, but daily routines, okay, daily, whatever daily she faces the things. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. Okay, what is she saying? That we don't seem to able to get any closer. She don't think that they will get closer, and that's the problem. That is the main problem for her. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other. Confide means to tell personal things privately, okay, to a person that one trusts. Okay, maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other. They don't we trust in each other. In any case, that's just how things are. And unfortunately, they are not liable to change. Okay, this is why I have started the diary. Okay, these are the few reasons why she have started writing a diary. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend, in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do, but I want the diary to be my friend, and I'm going to call this friend Kitty. Okay, now what we can see that Anne has named the diary. Okay, the name is Kitty. Okay, and what she's saying, to enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. Okay, she is just enhancing the image of this friend, the diary friend. I don't want to jot down the facts of the diary the way most people would do, but I want the diary to be my friend. I'm going to call this friend Kitty. Okay, she was not behaving like other people's do with the diary. Okay, she just don't want any other people to see or to read whatever she is writing in her diary. Let's move further. Students, these are the questions. Okay, oral comprehension check. You just have to write down in your notebook, okay, in a very good handwriting, and just send them on the vbbseniors@gmail.com or on the portal. Okay, just write them in your ways. Okay, the length doesn't matter. Okay, the word limits doesn't matter. Okay, you can write as much as you can, but except one page. Okay, not more than one page you can write. Okay, and we will have these all the things in the next video. Okay, and just revise the chapter, okay, till I have read for you. Okay, and just do the word meanings. This is your today's assignment. Okay, and now we will have the recapitulation. Okay, the recapitulation of the video is introduction of the writer, word meanings with accent, reading of the chapter, and recapitulation. Okay, in the introduction of writer, we can see that Anne Frank has written this chapter. Okay, this story about the diary entry. Okay, she used to write the diaries whenever, because she is not having friends. Okay, a one true friend, she is not having that. Okay, many friends, many relatives, and loving family is there, but there is no one true friend. Okay, students, by this we are we have to end this video with this the explanation. Okay, we'll have the explanation part in the next video. So till then, take care, goodbye, thank you, and take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next video.